In today's tutorial, you will learn the value of using onomatopoeia when writing your setting descriptions. These aren't just words, they're sound effects you can read. We call them onomatopoeia. Onomatopoeia is when a word sounds like the noise it describes. For example, ba sounds like a sheep, quack like a duck, and moo like a cow. But onomatopoeia goes beyond just animal sounds. It can describe any noise. The gurgle of a sink, the whir of a fan, the chop of an axe, and the snip of a pair of scissors. So why use it in your setting descriptions? When you describe a setting, you're not just trying to get your audience to read it, you want them to experience it. Onomatopoeia helps bring your writing to life by letting your readers hear what's happening, almost as if they were right there in the scene with the characters. It's also great for setting the mood. The sound of a twig snapping, for example, can create suspense, while birds chirping might suggest peace or happiness. The sounds you choose can really shape how your readers feel about the scene. And if you're still not convinced about the value of onomatopoeia, compare the sentences in these examples. The campfire burned brightly. The campfire crackled and popped. The rain fell steadily on the roof. The rain pattered steadily on the roof. The wind blew through the trees. The wind howled through the trees. And finally, let's look at a longer piece of writing. Let's describe this scene. My first setting description will not include onomatopoeia. The water moved gently against the dock as several seagulls circled above, calling with hunger. The boats bobbed up and down, their ropes straining. In the distance, the boathouse bell sounded with each gust of wind. The morning breeze passed through the tall grasses on the dunes, as if it didn't want to disturb the serenity with anything more than a whisper. It's not bad, and describes the scene quite well, but it doesn't feel very sensory. Let me try again, and this time I'll add some onomatopoeia. The water lapped gently against the dock as several seagulls circled above, cawing with hunger. The boats bobbed up and down, their ropes creaking. In the distance, the boathouse bell gave a soft ding with each gust of wind. The morning breeze rustled through the tall grasses on the dunes, as if it did not want to disturb the serenity with anything more than a whisper. That's much better. Using onomatopoeia enables the reader to hear the setting as well as seeing it. We have seen how onomatopoeia helps to bring your setting descriptions to life. They are words that act as sound effects, so make sure you start using them from now on. And with that, let me leave you with a table of words to use. For other great setting description writing tips, make sure you watch this video. And to continue to take your writing to the next level, make sure you subscribe to my channel.